I'm Jeremy Woods. I'm a chimney sweep here at Chimney Works. So a lot of customers wonder what actually happens during a chimney sweep. And according to the Chimney Safety Institute of America, also known as CSIA, the best way to prevent a chimney fire is to have your fireplace and chimney cleaned and inspected. So using a fireplace does create a creosote buildup. Creosote is a flammable carcinogen that builds up in the fireplace. And the main reason to clean the fireplace is to remove that. Once it builds up to over an 1/8 inch thickness, CSIA says it should be removed. So we also clean systems other than the open fireplace. These could be like wood stoves, freestanding stoves, wood inserts. So if you've scheduled a chimney sweep, a chimney technician is going to call you about 30 minutes before he arrives to your home, just to let you know that we're on our way. Once we get there, we're going to take off our shoes or usually put on shoe protectors to protect your floor. We'll also lay down a very large tarp in front of the working area, usually of course in front of the fireplace, to keep everything pretty clean. So once we get set up, we're going to turn on a HEPA vacuum at the bottom in front of the fireplace. Then most cleanings actually occur from the top of the chimney. Most of the brushing and the cleaning is pushed down. Everything will land inside the fireplace behind the damper. In some circumstances, it's not safe to clean the chimney from the top. At those times, we'll use a mechanical rotary device to clean the chimney and the liner system from the bottom. After cleaning the liner, we're going to come back inside, remove the damper, and clean the smoke shelf, which is where all the debris that we cleaned out has landed. That's most of the cleaning process. We'll also clean the firebox and the smoke chamber while we're there. So we're really cleaning from the very top of the system to the very bottom of the system. So we consider it a complete cleaning once all the loose creosote is removed from the system and nothing is left behind. A lot of people don't realize that when you pay for a chimney sweep with us, you're also getting a level 1 inspection and a free video inspection. Once we finish our inspection, we'll take pictures and write everything in the inspection report and leave you with a copy. After each cleaning, we also leave the customer with a gift. Just a small appreciation for choosing us.